Introducing the WiiM Pro Wi-Fi music player, the ultimate wireless audio streaming multi-room stereo receiver. Get ready to elevate your music experience like never before. This device allows you to take any existing portable Bluetooth, fixed speaker, soundbar, analog 5.1 or home theater system and convert it into an app-controlled audio system that works off of your home's or business's Wi-Fi network, so you can create a fully synced multi-room setup and control it all from your smartphone or tablet. And if you are already using a multi-zone amplifier or 70-volt amplifier that is wired to multiple different rooms in your house or zones in your business, the WiiM Pro allows you to get that whole system onto your Wi-Fi network and then use the WiiM Home app to control all of the music on the reliability and long range of your Wi-Fi network. Or you can create your own new multi-speaker, multi-room setup by getting multiple WiiM Pros or WiiM Minis and adding them to your speakers, etc., and then controlling them in sync on your network through your app. Setting up the WiiM Pro is super easy. In less than 2 minutes, you'll be ready to control your music through the speakers no matter where you are in your house or business. Just download and open the WiiM Home app from the Google Play or Apple App Store and let the app guide you through the setup process effortlessly. And if you still need help, we made a full step-by-step video guide to setting up the WiiM Pro and integrating it into your setup. With the WiiM Pro, you can stream high-res audio up to 192 kilohertz at 24 bits. That is studio quality sound, just like the artist intended for you to hear it. And all of your music is now in one place. The WiiM Home app supports popular streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Deezer, and more. But you probably want to see this in action, so let's go to a demo we have set up. Alright guys, we are all set up with our demo here. I actually have the WiiM Mini and the WiiM Pro Plus, which looks exactly the same as the WiiM Pro, except it has a better DAC and comes with the remote. I want to show you what you can do with these products. So if you look at our setup, you'll see that I have these two computer speakers in my bedroom and the soundbar in my living room. Now the soundbar is connected to the WiiM Pro Plus and these computer speakers are connected to my WiiM Mini. So after you've installed the WiiM Home app and you've added both of your products onto your Wi-Fi network, you actually have full control of it from your phone. So you'll actually see in my app, I have it already split up into my living room, which is optically powering my soundbar, and my bedroom where my WiiM Mini is connected to the computer speakers through aux cable. So if I'm in my bedroom, I can play music just through my bedroom speakers. Or you can head over to your living room in your app, click on it, and then press play. And it'll start playing music out of your soundbar. And one of the coolest things is you can actually combine all of your different zones together and play all of the music through all of the speakers in your house that are connected to WiiM products off of one phone. So I just go in, I click this little link button, I select all the different zones I want to play through, and then I press done. And now when I press play, the music is coming out of all of the different speakers. You can see this is a great way to incorporate all of the different speakers you have already in your house with the WiiM products to get them on your network. And as you just heard, I was able to play music out of all of the speakers off of one phone just because the WiiMs are communicating with each other. And the coolest thing is when you have all of your different zones grouped together, you have independent volume controls right at the touch of your fingers that you can adjust however you want and even set your speakers to different presets and different modes so you can fine tune it around the room you're in. But now that you know what it does, let's go look at some more specs. Just as you saw in the demo, you can use the WiiM Pro to expand your horizons and create a multi-room audio setup with other WiiM products like the Mini or Pro Plus. Create a synchronized audio experience by grouping the WiiM Pro with other AirPlay 2 speakers, Alexa-enabled devices, or additional WiiM Pro Pluses and Minis. Now the WiiM Pro supports various audio input and outputting, including Wi-Fi based streaming, Bluetooth, RCA aux inputs and outputs, and optical inputs and outputs, as well as a coaxial output. This allows you to choose how you want to connect to and from your WiiM Pro to all of your different devices like smart TVs, home theater speakers and receivers, soundbars, and more. The WiiM Pro also comes with RCA cables and an optical cable so you can quickly get the unit integrated into your setup. There is also a 12-volt trigger output on the back. This can be connected to an amplifier with a 12-volt trigger input to bring the amp out of standby mode as soon as music or signal is playing. Now this is mostly a feature on high fidelity amplifiers, and you would need a 2.5mm sub-mini cable where you would plug one end into the trigger output of the WiiM Pro and then the other end into the trigger input on your amp. There's also an Ethernet port so that you can connect an Ethernet cable into the WiiM Pro and hook it up directly to your modem or router for an even more established connection over Wi-Fi. You can even use the WiiM Pro to automate your routines. Set up routines to wake up or fall asleep to your favorite tunes, stations, or podcasts. And guess what? You can even use your Alexa integrated with the WiiM Pro to create personalized routines. And since the WiiM Pro is compatible with both Siri and Alexa, connect it to your Echo or HomePod and let your voice assistant take control. Select music, adjust volume, and more, all with simple voice commands. There are also capacitive touch controls for play, pause, volume adjustment, preset design, and more on the device so you can really fine-tune the sound for whatever room and speaker you are playing through. You can even get the WiiM Voice Remote that works with the WiiM Mini and WiiM Pro and allows you to control the volume, voice activation of Alexa, next and previous song controls, source switching, mute and unmuting, and preset control of 4 different presets that you can customize in the WiiM Home app. So if you are looking for a Wi-Fi music player with wireless audio streaming that can create a multi-room stereo setup, look no further than the WiiM Pro.